Let us now go to level 2.1, that is VSC2. This is worth 50 points. To complete this challenge, we have to go to this PDF. Click on here. It will open a new window. Here is the PDF. Click on it. VSC2. Open this PDF. There are 9 steps in this PDF that we have to complete. So let's complete instruction 1, 2 and 3. Here we can go to View Command Palette, and it will allow us to enter commands to VS Code. Suppose I give here file. So all the file commands that are available on the system will be shown. This is useful if we want to run a command using VS Code. Suppose if we want to change our connection profile, then what we have to do is we can click on this edit button and we will be able to update our profile. So suppose by mistake instead of 153 I give here 163, then I can click on this icon and then correct it. User ID, my password, give here false and leave it empty. Press enter. Profile was successfully updated. So these were the first 3 steps. We have completed it. Then it is telling us how to create a filter for our data sets. This is the data set that I am seeing, MTM 2020. If I want to see more data sets, I can click on this magnifying icon, and what I can do is I can give here MTM 2020 public.dataset, then give a comma, and then I can give my user ID dot star, then press the enter key. So you can see it is showing me all the datasets which start with my user ID as well as this MTM 2020 public.jcl dataset. So this is how you can see multiple datasets on a mainframe. We can also make VS Code full screen by going to View, Appearance and then Zen mode. So you can see now only the code is available and nothing else is available. This is called the Zen mode. To escape this, press the escape key twice. Click on View, Appearance, Zen mode. Zen mode is enabled. Press the escape key twice and it will be disabled. You can also go to the extensions button. Here go to extension and click on extension settings. And then you can click on edit in JSON and you can change a setting if you want. Same way I can search for some other extensions such as indent, and here is the extension which makes indentation easier to read. You can install it by clicking on the install button. Also I can go to help interactive playground and it will show me all the features that are available on this VS Code software. Now go to 2020 public.jcl, go to ch key and submit job. That's it. Job submitted and your level 2.1 is complete. So click on challenges, click on level 2, you can go to completed tab and I will see 2.1 is complete. 2.2 is available. We will now complete 2.2. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.